Hello and welcome to the final match in round 1 in the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Little London Primary from Westmoreland up against Foundation Preparatory from Clarendon. I'm your host, Kadeen Foote, and the action begins right now. So we had the coin toss earlier. Little London won and decided to put Foundation in first. So we'll start off section 1 where schools are asked questions alternately. They will have 10 seconds in which to answer and will earn 1 point for each correct answer. This section lasts for 4 minutes. So let's put that on the clock and start off with Bible knowledge. Foundation, Jesus told the parable of the Good Samaritan in response to which question?
Who is your neighbor?
Correct. Little London, in the parable of the Good Samaritan, how many persons passed the man who was beaten and robbed before the Good Samaritan helped him?
2.
Correct. Science, Foundation, what gas do plants use from the air to help them make food?
Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide.
Correct. Little London, when plants make food, which gas is produced?
Oxygen.
Correct. Regional Affairs, Foundation, this is a visual. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Patrick Hilton.
Incorrect, it's Timothy Harris, Prime Minister of St. Kitts and Nevis. Little London, your turn to look at the monitor and identify this person.
Leon Bailey.
Incorrect, it's Miguel Diaz-Canel, President of Cuba. English language, Foundation, give a 10-letter synonym starting with U for the word comprehend.
Understand. Understand.
Correct. Little London, give an 11-letter synonym starting with I for the word hardworking.
Industrial.
Repeat the answer.
Industrial.
That is incorrect. The answer is actually industrious. Television, Foundation, this is a visual. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Tyler Perry.
Incorrect, it's Morris Chestnut. Little London, look at the monitor and identify the person.
Martin Lawrence.
That's correct. We move on to general knowledge. Foundation, the province of Ontario is in which country?
Cuba.
Incorrect, it's Canada. Little London, the county of Derbyshire is in which country?
India.
Repeat the answer, please.
India.
That's incorrect, it's England. Social Studies, Foundation, in which parish in Jamaica is the Money Musk Sugar Factory?
Clarendon. Clarendon.
Correct. Little London, in which parish in Jamaica is the Worthy Park Sugar Factory?
Catherine. St. Catherine.
Correct. We move on to music. Foundation, in what Caribbean island was R&B superstar Rihanna born?
Jamaica.
The answer is incorrect. It's Barbados. Little London, what is the nationality of the singer or songwriter Destra Garcia?
Trinidadian. Trinidadian.
Correct. Mathematics for Foundation, what is the remainder when 147 is divided by 5?
2.
Correct. Little London, what is the remainder when 253 is divided by 3?
1.
Correct. Sports, this is a visual. Foundation, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Dele Ali.
Incorrect, it's Klay Thompson, NBA player. Little London, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Durant James.
Incorrect, it's Andre Iguodala, NBA player. That's the bell signaling the end of section 1 with foundation on 5 and Little London on 6. And so we go for our first break, but first listen out for the friendly tip from NCB. Set up a homework-friendly area at home which is private, well-lit and quiet. This will help you to be more productive and efficient. And when we return, it will be time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off. Stay with us.